Alright, share the screen, right? Records my voice. I think it does. I came with a GIF. I made a GIF. You can do GIF Maker. Download GIF Maker. This right here, GIF Maker. Go on the Play Store and download it. Okay? So, GIF Maker Editor. But this images to GIF doesn't work. This is stupid little pencils or whatever. So what you gotta do is get out of there. Actually, you gotta kill the whole thing. I go here, make a GIF Maker. This is how you use GIF Maker. GIF Maker, I make awesome GIFs. Chicken chargers on them, I guess. But you go to camera, right? And take a picture. So you could probably do it for like, was it 5 seconds, right? Or something, I don't know. So you could probably do it for like, was it 5 seconds, right? Or something, I don't know. So there's your GIF, right? It's a GIF Maker program. It makes real ones too. It's hilarious. So this is how you make a GIF. GIF Maker. Alright, so I made another GIF. See? It actually does that thing though. It does the GIF thing like that. Isn't that weird? It's cool, right? You can't do other than phone. But, see? It's a real GIF Maker. Isn't that weird? It just keeps going. I don't know if you can like share it. I've already downloaded it. It's a real GIF. See? I've got a charger for it. .gif file. It's a real one. Share it. You can share it with Twitter. Share me with Twitter. Yeah. So we're going to share this GIF with Twitter. Twitter with the GIF makers. Authorizer. Want to how to make a GIF .gif file without popcorn. Where did I post that? Want to know how to make a .gif, dude? Anyway, I'm still making a video, right? That's how you make it. Oh, I should post it while I'm doing the video at the same time. That'd be dope. Tweet. Want to know how to make a GIF? Know how to make a .gif. Damn. Okay, but I gotta stop the video and then I'll post it.